A new drug has been approved for use in Alzheimer's patients.
While the medicine may not be a final solution, Wisconsin healthcare officials say it's a big step in the fight against Alzheimer's.
Brady Myers got you covered.
In the form of lecanemab.
If it does make a marginal impact, that could be great. I mean, because it would give the loved one and the family longer to have a better quality of life.
With the FDA approval, qualified patients will receive IVs every 2 weeks.
It goes into the person's system and clears out a protein that builds up in the brain in Alzheimer's called amyloid. So it goes in and clears out the amyloid. And what we think that does then is that there's less deposits in the brain. The amyloid kind of sits in there and causes irritation to the nerves and damage to the nerves, so that leads to thinking and memory problems. So
As Dr. Cynthia Carlson with the UW system explains, it's a way to slow the progression of Alzheimer's, but it's not a final solution.
this is the first of, we hope, future therapies. It's only going to be available for a subgroup of people. So people who have mild cognitive impairment or mild dementia.
Still, it's a significant sign of progress for caretakers everywhere.
It's hopeful. There's not a lot that healthcare can do, and now maybe hopefully they can do more with this drug.
Mike Rohrkast is the executive director of the Fox Valley Memory Project, an organization dedicated to directly working with people who have memory loss, as well as their caretakers.
My mom passed away from dementia a long time ago, and I did not understand at the time what it was.
As someone who's experienced a loss, it's a cause Rohrkast is passionate about.
They may not be able to easily walk from one room to the other, or even know how to get from one room to the other. So it does become more challenging as the disease progresses. Caregivers often experience multiple losses throughout the journey.
There are pills currently available, but experts say none of them get to the root of the problem like lecanemab. Researchers like Carlson are hoping this is just the start for finding a cure.
We have a study we're doing now that is looking at this exact same medicine, but in people who don't have memory problems, who do have changes of amyloid in their brains. We're hoping that we can catch it early, clear out that amyloid, and then use it to prevent Alzheimer's.
Doctors say there can be some side effects due to neurologic changes. They can range from mild to severe.